Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to make iOS stealth shortcuts. Whether or not this works on iPadOS, I do not know, but if you have Siri shortcuts on iOS, on iPadOS, then it should work. And most iPads come with, all new iPads come with a camera anyway, like even like a basic camera, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be fine. I think, I am not sure. So this one creates a recording, and you can save it anytime you like, and it opens a cover app. So this is the settings. This is the cover up I picked. You can make it anything, the weather, WhatsApp, anything you like. It's just a cover app, so you do not look like you are in the voice recorder app recording a voice, recording audio. Okay. Now this one, what does this one do? This one is a manual photo taker. You just press on the shortcut, and then you just take a photo, then you take another photo, back camera and front camera. You have to take photo the back and front, so just speed run it. If you want one of the cameras only, just click, tap, and just take the photo anyway, and then it will switch the other camera, and then you'll be fine. And then it immediately take you to your cover apps, like, which is the settings, which is like what I picked. Then what's this? This is an auto photo taker. Okay, so what happens here is it takes one photo from the back camera, it takes one photo from the front camera, and it opens your cover app. And you should also swipe up the notifications. Actually, if it cancels it, then don't, but I didn't test. I don't use this much, thankfully. What does this do? So this takes a video with your front camera, and then it saves it, and then it opens your cover app. And this is for your front, this is for your back camera. Now the reason there's no front and back camera together, because you cannot simultaneously record, and if you record step by step, it's going to be stupid, because taking a video is not instant like taking a photo. So that's why it's two shortcuts instead of one. But anyway, here's how you can make stealth shortcuts to record audio, take a photo from both cameras, take a video from both cameras, take a photo manually, automatically take a photo. It can be useful sometimes.